Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Jeep Cherokee Headlight Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Gather gloves, a 10 mm socket, and the correct replacement bulb for your vehicle. Work in daylight or bright shop light, remove the air intake or access panel, and prepare to replace the bulb carefully while avoiding skin contact. In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Jeep Cherokee Headlight Easy Guide. Collect gloves, a 10 mm socket, a flashlight, and the correct replacement bulb for your trim. Confirm the vehicle is cool and the battery negative is disconnected to prevent electrical issues. Lay out parts on a clean towel and inspect connectors for corrosion. Proper preparation saves time and avoids accidental damage while you complete the replacement. In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Jeep Cherokee Headlight Easy Guide. First, remove the intake or access cover to reach the headlight housing and unplug the wiring connector. Release the retainer, remove the old bulb, then carefully seat the new bulb and secure the retainer. Reattach the connector and panels, reconnect the battery negative, and test the light. Finally, check beam aim and adjust if needed for safe night drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.